Carbohydrates are organic compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a ratio of 1:2 to 1. But remember, too much carbohydrate intake can lead to diseases such as diabetes and obesity.
Good day, everyone!
I am Hannah Kija Arbuna,
And I am Christine Jana Batanginan.
and today we'll be discussing about carbohydrates. So let's begin by understanding what carbohydrates are.
And why are they important in living organisms?
What is carbohydrates? And why are they important? They are the most abundant biological molecules on Earth and serve as the main source of energy for almost all living things. Carbohydrates are found in our daily food, like rice, bread, pasta, and fruit. These are the classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are grouped into three main classes based on the number of sugar units they contain. First is the monosaccharides. These are the simplest sugars, made of only one sugar unit. Examples are glucose, fructose, and galactose.
Sucrose or
Glucose
table sugar
is also
made
called
of
blood
glucose
sugar
and
and
fructose.
is our body's main
Lactose or
source
milk
of
sugar
energy.
made of
Fructose
glucose and
is
galactose.
found in plants and honey.
Maltose or malt
It
sugar
is the sweetest
made
sugar.
of two glucose molecules.
Glucose combines with glucose to form milk sugar.
Third is the polysaccharides. These are large and complex carbohydrates made of hundreds or thousands of monosaccharides. Examples are starch or the energy storage formed in plants, glycogen or the energy storage formed in animals and humans, cellulose, the structural component of plant cell walls and an important source of dietary fiber, chitin, found in the exoskeleton of insects, crabs, and in the cell walls of fungi.
Here are the functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates play three main roles in living organisms. First, energy source. They provide immediate fuel for body function. Second, energy storage. Extra glucose is stored as glycogen in animals and starch in plants. Third, structural support. Cellulose and chitin give strength to plant and animal structures. Metabolic process involving carbohydrates. Carbohydrates go through several metabolic processes to supply energy for the body. Glycolysis breaks down glucose to release energy in the form of ATP. The Krebs cycles and electron transport chain produce more energy in the mitochondria, and glycogenesis converts excess glucose into glycogen for storage. Glycogenolysis breaks down glycogen into glucose when energy is needed, and gluconeogenesis creates glucose from non-carbohydrate sources like amino acids. The pentose phosphate pathway produces pentose sugars needed for DNA and RNA. These pathways ensures that the body always has a constant support of energy.
In summary, carbohydrates are vital biomolecules that participate in essential metabolic processes. Carbohydrates are important because they provide energy, store energy, build structure, aid digestion, and support body functions.
Without carbohydrates, our cells wouldn't have enough fuel to perform the daily activities. They are truly the fuel of life.
Thank you for listening.
Organisms active and functional.